Hello students, I am Suman V. Muni, guest faculty, Department of English, Degree College, Jagannathpur, Kolhan University, Chaivasa. Today I am going to discuss about postmodernism. It is for the 6th semester English honor student in their core course 14 in the paper Modern Literary Criticism. Now I will start with postmodernism. Postmodernism was influenced by the Second World War. It was originally a reaction to modernism, largely influenced by the Western European disillusionment induced by World War II. Postmodernism was prevalent from the mid 20th century. Literally, it means after the modernist movement. Postmodernism was based on an unscientific, irrational thought process and it rejected logical thinking. When the idea of reaction or rejection of modernism was borrowed by other fields, it became synonymous in some contexts with post-modernity. Postmodernism deliberately uses a mixture of conventional style. Postmodernity also focuses on social and political outworkings and innovations globally, especially since the 1960s in the West. Postmodernism fully came into its own in the late 1950s and the early 1960s. Postmodernism's fascination is with popular art forms and its mood is less elegiac than that of modernism. Postmodernist writers greet absurdity or meaningless existence with an indifference which combines resignation, fatigue, and playfulness. Most postmodernist narratives have great self reflexivity, which means that they double back on their own presuppositions, assumptions, and ways of telling the story. Salman Rushdie's novel Midnight's Children was written in the year 1983 is a good example of postmodernist text. Postmodernism is interesting in the sense that on the one side it denotes something that followed modernism as a necessary consequences of it and on the other hand it adopts the existence of modernism as a negative. Now I will also discuss some of the best examples of postmodernism texts. Catch 22, a satirical war novel by Joseph Heller, was written in the year 1961. Next, The Crying of Lot 49 was written in the year 1965 by Thomas Pynchon. For example, some marks the beginning of postmodernism with the first publication of John Hawke's The Carnival was written in the year 1949. The first performance of An Attendant God written in French language in the year 1953 was also one of the best example. It was also written in English in the year 1955 as Waiting for Godot. That's all from my side. Thank you all.